Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 31st May 2026. Title of Murli. O souls who are worthy of God's love, give a handful of happiness to those who are unhappy. Finish all waste and become powerful and bring the time close. Bap Dada said. Throughout the entire cycle, souls have experienced the love of souls, great souls, and righteous souls. However, the love of the Supreme Soul is experienced only now, during the confluence age, and all of you children are experiencing it. The Father's desire for each and every child is that every one of his children becomes equal to the Father. Just as the Father is elevated, so too should the children attain an elevated stage. Further, Baba said, check whether any kind of wasteful thought is still pulling your attention towards itself. This is important because the pure world and the pure kingdom are now drawing near. Sorrow and unrest are increasing all around in various forms. Therefore, the vibrations of purity are essential. The root cause of sorrow and unrest is impurity. At this time, double service is needed for impure souls as well as for devotee souls. In conclusion, Baba said, seeing the atmosphere of sorrow and unrest, the Father feels mercy for the children. Both the Father and you know that these conditions must reach their extreme. Without reaching the extreme, there can be no end. At such a time, help souls experience, not merely hear, that God is bestowing His inheritance. The Father has entrusted this responsibility to the children along with Himself. Blessing for today. May you become an experienced image and reveal the image of the Father and the Teacher with your own image. Details are: to stay in your real position is the pilgrimage of remembrance. Remain stable in knowing what you are and who you belong to. With this real form of faith and the awareness of your victory many times, you will constantly continue to move along in the waves of the ocean of your intoxicated stage. Since you are the children of the bestower of happiness, how could waves of sorrow come to you? How can the children of the Almighty Authority be powerless? When you stay in the experience of this position, the Father and the Teacher's image will then automatically be revealed through your image. Slogan is, those who are honest and truthful will have divinity in their faces and in their activity. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. When you children become immortal images and remain stable on the thrones of your foreheads, you will then be able to remain stable on the throne of a constant stage and on Bap Dada's heart throne. When the vision of the practical form of the images of all of you in a constant stage is given in the divine gathering, then Bap Dada's revelation will come close. For this, each of you will have to be equal in having sanskars like those of Bap Dada. Om Shanti.